Hey guys, and in this video I'll show you how to track calories with the help of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. So firstly we just need to swipe left to open tiles, and here just search for the tab which is named Food. And if you cannot find it, just tap the Add Tiles and scroll to the Samsung Health section. And here it is. Just tap it to enable, and after this you can enter how many calories you had during lunch, for example. Just swipe up or swipe down to enter the correct number. For example, this one. You can tap enter again and then switch to breakfast, dinner, morning snack, afternoon snack and evening snack, and do just the same thing. Just swipe up or down. And you can see here all of your data. And that's it. Now you know how to track calories with the help of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.